In this video, we will show you 5 cool gadgets from AliExpress. For more information and updated price of the products, check out the links down below on the description box. The levitating plant pot is a mesmerizing and innovative bonsai pot that hovers in the air using magnetic levitation, providing a magical and serene addition to any indoor space. With easy installation and maintenance, it offers the opportunity to showcase small plants while improving the indoor environment and promoting physical and mental well-being. This high-tech gadget makes for a perfect gift and brings a sense of wonder and tranquility to people of all ages. The pot comes in white or chocolate color and has a floating object weight capacity of up to 300 grams. So elevate your space with the levitating plant pot and experience the joy of nature in a unique and captivating way. Up next, we have the AXX Clip Book Light. It has 3 color modes and stepless brightness, allowing you to find the perfect reading light. The amber light is free of blue light wavelengths, promoting better sleep, while the gooseneck is adjustable, allowing you to twist the angle to any position. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, and the strong clip ensures stability without ripping pages. The built-in rechargeable battery can be charged with a USB cable and lasts up to 15 hours. So with its stylish and eco-friendly design, this clip-on book light is a necessity for any bookworm. Are you tired of struggling to cut a pineapple? Look no further than the all-new pineapple slicer. This eco-friendly and non-toxic tool will make your kitchen work a breeze. With its easy and fast design, this pineapple slicer will save you time and effort. Not only is this tool practical, but it is also environmentally conscious. It is made from non-toxic and harmless materials, so you can rest assured that it is safe to use. So no more struggling with knives or wasting precious fruit, simply use this gadget to effortlessly peel and slice your pineapple. Next up is the Sensor Control Night Light. It is a versatile lighting solution with adjustable brightness and smart sensing capabilities. Its stepless dimming button allows for customized illumination, while the switch button offers 3 modes: always on, motion sensing, and off. The built-in light sensor allows it to turn on at night and off during the day based on the brightness of the environment. With a durable design and AC power source, this compact nightlight provides convenient and reliable lighting for various spaces in your home. So experience the convenience of automatic illumination and personalized brightness with the Sensor Control Night Light. Finally, we have the Gisulife Menstrual Heating Pad. It is a cordless and portable heating belt designed to provide relief from menstrual cramps and abdominal discomfort. Featuring graphene heating technology, adjustable heat levels, and 6 vibration massage modes, it quickly and effectively soothes muscles, stimulates blood circulation, and offers personalized comfort. Made with skin-friendly thermal fabric and equipped with safety features like auto shut-off and temperature control, this heating pad ensures a comfortable and safe experience. So say goodbye to menstrual pain and try the Gisulife Menstrual Heating Pad. That was our video for today. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.